So you'd like to add a list into your blog or your website and you're not sure how to do it. Maybe you want some bullet points, maybe you want to number some items, list things out. Let's just show you how to do that. So you can go ahead and press the plus. You can then go down to list, and that'll give you a list block. And that list block, every time you enter something in, to one, hit the enter, it's going to create another one in the list. So you can get a list going. There you go, easy. You can always, as I always say, going up to the top left hand corner and going to list from there. There you go, it's added it in there. You can also change the type of list it is. So say you don't want the little dots there that you have, you want to number it. If you go up to the top, you can have an ordered list, which will do the same thing, but the number will increment the more you list out the items. You can also, once you've made your list, if it's not quite in the right place, you can move it using these arrows as well at the top, which is quite useful because sometimes, especially when using this plus and this plus here, they don't always appear on the screen. Sometimes they put them in the wrong place. You went, I meant to put it above or below. Always look for these little arrows because they're quite useful. You can also change, obviously, the background. So, don't know why you'd want it, but yeah, you can have a bright red background. And you can change the text color as well. So white looks good on the red. There you go. So you can have a play with those items. That's how you do it. Easy. If this was useful, give us a like. It always helps us in the rankings. If you like what I do, subscribe. I can add in more videos. And if you have a specific requirement, pop it in the comments below. See if I can make a video for that. Okay, I hope that was useful. See you in the next one.